SLP price streaks show signs of bad news on the 7-day price outline, which is very important. SLP pretty much has competition at 0.003, which is a big number. Smooth Love Elixir is currently valued at $0.003, and support for the bears has been set at 0.003.27, July 2023. In this movie, we'll show you the basics of how much Smooth Love mixture costs. Examine for no or for the next week and really try to answer this question. Most of the time, this is the best way to get answers to some important questions about facts that are usually rather short-term. Elixir is basically SLP in good theory, which is really important for Smooth Love mixture support and resistance levels, etc., in a very big way. However, before we get too deep into SLP technical research, let's talk about the current economy, or so they thought. Market analysis shows that in the last 24 hours, there has been a loss of 1.84, bringing the total cryptocurrency market to $1,198,816.136743. In a simple way, the total trading volume remains at $30,931,722, which is a very important way. Bitcoin has 48.37% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a 16.33% share. This has led to Bitcoin's price dropping to $29,837.66, which is a big drop compared to other digital currencies. Ethereum, on the other hand, has seen its price go up by 0.15 cents to $1,899.90 in the last 24 hours. Moreover, Coco's BCX fell in value by 0.77, which is a big drop. These events show that the market as a whole is going down right now, so other digital currencies like Ethereum have seen their prices rise by 0.15 to reach $1,089.09 in the last 24 hours. Smooth Love Elixir support and resistance are important technical marks that are used to identify key price levels where the trend can change direction in a subtle way. Support is a level where buyers become more active and keep the coin's price from dropping much more. Similarly, resistance is a level at which sellers become explicitly move in every way that matters dynamic and in every way that matters stop the coin's prices from moving sort of higher in a quiet way after the support and resistance levels of pretty Smooth Love mixture. SLP genuinely Smooth Love Elixir execution. The very daily outline of essentially Smooth Love mixture in a real sense shows that the SLP has a very downward trend with a 1.18 decrease and sort of beyond 24 hours the value worth of the very Smooth Love mixture SLP coin is still at 0.003. With a market capitalization of $137,276,313 in a real sense. SLP price changes by $4.08 over the course of a week, while trading volume is mostly around $10,395,115. This shows that there is already a wide, bad drop in the crypto market, or so they thought. Insight and in every practical sense day-to-day time period is mostly made sense of below in a kind of big way we use kind of relative strength INDEX RSI moving really normal union indifference max support levels and resistance levels have different moving midpoints for different time periods, such as really easy moving kind of normal small and really good moving certainly normal. EMA2 most of the time dissect the future development of the truly Smooth Love mixture showing how various elective digital currencies as Ethereum for the most part has seen a cost increment of 0.15 coming to $1,899.09 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. The in every practical sense relative strength record RSI demonstrates that the SLP coin certainly is close oversold zone as RSI explicitly is at 34 showing how following really are the help and opposition levels of a truly Smooth Love Elixir SLP especially Smooth Love mixture execution. The day-to-day graph of genuinely Smooth Love mixture in a real sense shows that the SLP cost generally has a kind of descending development with a 1.18 decline and especially beyond 24 hours and a fundamentally huge manner the MACD line sort of is remaining underneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid Especially further appearance how SLP cost changes 4.08 over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume really is drifting around 10,395,115 United States dollars, exhibiting how as of now the fundamentally broad, certainly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they generally thought. Smooth love elixir financial backers need to specifically wait for a change in direction on the daily chart. This chart shows that Bitcoin has 48.37% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a 16.33% lead, which is a very large number. The SLP's Williams %R marker is at 73.578 for the 14-day time period, which shows that the market is in a neutral state. The trade really signal is usually possible at this point in a very big way, according to the usual turn of the urgent quick competition for SLP. May sort of be fundamentally found at 0.003 and then 0.004. So support is a level where buyers become more active and keep the coin's price from falling any further in a big way. In the meantime, the cryptocurrency's support level was found at 0.003 and then 0.004 based on market research. As a result of the Federal Reserve's 25 basis point rate hike, the price of Bitcoin is expected to drop by almost 3%. At the moment, the price of Bitcoin is $29,464, which is a small rise of 0.5% from Thursday. The Federal Reserve's move to raise the federal funds rate by 25 basis points caused the cryptocurrency's price to drop by nearly 3% in the last week. Even though the economy is growing slowly, the move by the central bank to tighten monetary policy has put some downward pressure on the price of Bitcoin. Investors and traders are keeping a close eye on how the market reacts to this rate hike, because it could affect how the coin does in the future. Even though economic growth is slow, the Federal Reserve raises the federal funds rate by 25 basis points. Even though economic growth has been slow, the Federal Reserve raised the federal funds rate by 25 basis points lately. This ruling was expected and had already been priced in. And BTC got better the next day. According to the most recent report from the Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, the goal of the rate hike was to keep inflation under control. Powell, who is in charge of the Fed, said that a rate change or a pause could happen in September. The group hasn't decided yet when it will meet next. On July 27, the European Central Bank, ECB, is expected to raise interest rates by another 25 basis points, even though the Eurozone is officially in a recession. This could put some pressure on the Bitcoin market to sell. Also, the Japan Central Bank is